Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to edit brush settings in Krita. So for example, we have here this one brush and we would like to edit it. To start this process we need to go to this icon. There are edit brush settings, we need to click on it, and then we need to open here brush tip. We can modify here settings for this brush. We can edit diameter, ratio, fade settings, angle, spikes. Of course we can change shape if you want. For example, I select here square. And you can check here how it works after change. You can modify here your brush, everything depends on your preferences. But in my opinion, really great settings are in predefined options. Here you can easily modify your brush type. For example, I will select here smear paint and it works something like that. Of course you can adjust here other settings if you want, or you can change brush type. And if you will finish your work, you will be able to save in your brush preset by clicking here. And for example, I will save it as pencil hard copy and I click save button. After that I will be able to use this brush here, so I close this window and now I can easily use this brush. So it is how it works. If I helped you to edit brush in Krita, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. That's all for today, thank you for watching.